Good evening, friends. In this particular video of mine, I would be continuing with ICON database, which is the database given to us through Thomson Reuters. I welcome you all, and in this video, you will be seeing more details about the same database that I was talking about, and why I am so keen to introduce this particular database so that it can be useful for your own financial analysis also side by side. Now this is one more report that I downloaded for Silly Monks Entertainment Limited, and so you see I have got the complete information about Silly Monks Entertainment, and I can use the report that has been prepared by Refinitiv, and I can use for my own analysis, maybe for my own case studies on financial studies. In case I'm not interested, I want a data set so that I can proceed further with my own analysis. That is also possible. Now, how to get those things, that also I'll be showcasing to you in one of the videos of mine. Again, what I'll do, I'll pick up a different country most probably, and let's see if I can showcase to you the different data sets that are available, so that I can help you out to showcase that yes, see, this is how I can proceed further. Now here you see I have clicked, and here I have got for last 90 days again, and this is cyclical for consumer services. Now here you will see I can select one of them, and I'll be getting, you can go ahead and you can see this one as I showcased earlier with the Arvind fashion stores, or with the Silly Monk Industries. Now one more thing which I really like, this one is the Scatterplot. Now have a look at the dynamic scatter plots that they are showcasing to you, and here since they are focusing more on the I would say linear style, so they have got two things, two axes which is necessary, that is x-axis and y-axis, and while you are taking care, now you see one more fascinating thing which I saw out here is that they have given us certain indicators or certain variables for us, and they have already created those scatter plots, and you can use these scatter plots for your visual analysis, which is upcoming way of performing, I should say, qualitative analysis in the financial studies itself. Whether you want to do it on time series or on panel data, choice is yours. However, you can see, observe how well they have taken care of it, and how you are able to use it is all your creativity and your idea behind in the manner in which you're going to set out as with respect to your objectives and everything, how you're going to create it. Now this is taking some time. However, I can show you that definitely yes. So here one of the things which I really like in this particular database is the scatter plot, number one, and number two, the tree map. Now these are the two things apart from the data sets which are, now have a look at it. Now there are two ways in which it's a highly dynamic by nature, and you can see that on one side we have got the revenue, and on the other side also it is revenue, because it is showcasing on both the axis revenue. However, you can go ahead, select the regions, expand all, rather than this is for all the countries, all regions, that's why you have got this kind of a thing. However, I would like to go ahead and see the I should say the scatter plot for certain industries in India. So I have selected India for cyclical consumer services, that's number two, and here you can see at the topmost that yes, they have given to you these two options. You can select whatever industry. Now even if I take it up, now here you see that they have given you this bubble chart for the entire country. Now I'm not looking, let me zoom in more and try to see how much I can understand. Now are you able to see the dynamic nature of it? Now this is what I was looking for, that yes, if I have got the ready-made variables or the indicators and the manner in which they are going to tell you the stories also by making the movement zoom in or zoom out, you will see that this is the most fascinating thing, and you can do a very good qualitative research on this also, which is not my main motive out here. However, I'm showcasing to you both negative, positive. You can zoom in, zoom out, and you will be you can select these industries. Let's say you want to tell a digital story all by yourself regarding this particular thing, you can take care. And now here you will see that these are the variables that are available to us, like 1 day price, PCT, revenue, company, net income, forward, P/E, all these things. So make a choice, what variables or indicators you want on y-axis and x-axis, and then proceed further. Now there you will see the importance of the scatter plot is also available. In case you are not interested with these variables, you want to include your own variables, you are most welcome to do it. Now Thomson, this particular database gives you the leverage to go further, and even like, for example, I want to do for company, market cap and revenue. Can I proceed further, the bubble size, and can I get this kind of a thing? Yes, here we go, bingo, and I have got. Now here I can select the companies, like I have got the companies also. I can go ahead, I can select it, I can zoom in, zoom out, and see where they are in terms of these indicators which are available for me. So that is one more thing that really fascinated me. And trust me, the report, not the report, I would say it was one of the case studies of mine, the qualitative case studies, wherein I really wanted to go ahead and project certain details. And here, so the next one that I wanted to showcase is the tree map. So here you can see, once I click on the tree map, it has given to me all the sectors, the main sectors: financials, technology, basic material, industries, utilities. Now if I click more into it, I'll be entering into more depth and see what kind of a things I have got for that. So this is where I was telling to you that I really love this database, and when I completed with my project, along with some of the administrative officers who are based in Australia from India. And I, was so excited to see, and the digital stories that we were able to form and share with them was amazing one. We really loved it, and I said, okay, let me go and showcase to all of you how the tree map is also looking in this one. So these are the small, however, they really make your research quite interesting, and you are able to come up with amazing results also. So in my next video, I'll be showcasing to you something else on Thomson Reuters database itself, which we can use it for our own research also. Till then, thank you and take care. Bye.